Hey, it's Coach Patrick here. I see you're struggling with your exercise. I want to give you a few tips. When I first started, I worked at a big box gym as a personal trainer, but what I found was 95% of people who went to the gym membership don't even go regularly. Why? Because there's no coach, there's no accountability, there's no exercise plan, there's no nutrition plan. What's been helpful for a lot of our clients is having a customized workout plan that's specifically for you, for your lifestyle, for your schedule, for your body type, for your fitness goals. And when you have exercises that you enjoy doing, and it's customized for you, not only will you have success in the short term, but you're also going to have success in the long term as well. And that's why so many of our clients has been able to lose the weight and keep it off forever, because they've been able to build sustainable long-term habits. It's almost like brushing your teeth. When you brush your teeth every day, just because you've had a busy day or a stressful day, or you don't feel motivated to brush your teeth, doesn't mean we stop, right? We want to make exercise a part of your routine so we can build those habits in. To start you off, I have a free 5-day metabolic detox. You can find this inside of my free Facebook group. And inside of this 5-day metabolic detox, there's different exercises that you can do. There's 6 different workouts: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So I would encourage you to start with that so you can start to build some of these healthy habits. And when you solidify those habits, not only are you going to lose the weight, have success, but you're going to be able to maintain that and then keep your weight off forever. And that's my goal for you. So I hope that helps, and I hope this 5-day metabolic detox helps. If you have any more questions, just message me and I'll be happy to help.